enough to make your eyes water. Next tune goes out as a big shout to all the baggage handlers at Francis International Airport. I hope you're not sneaking this stuff in. Yes, boss. Police in helicopter, John Holt. Police in helicopter.
Hey, Big Toad! Did you kick some ass or what?
The Albanians know they got us over a barrel, Sal. At least it's better than dealing with those fucking drunken Irish bastards, though. Forget about it.
I just played a record. They're saying come again. Okay, we'll come again. We'll go again. Text message coming in. Fast and furious. Where's wireless? Gloria. Even though I dropped it down the Benghazi. Here we go.
Un turismo. On va quand même essayer de rester le plus éloigné possible parce que je pense que là faut vraiment pas qu'on se fasse cramer. Quand il y a des missions, si tu te fais cramer c'est pas grave, faut leur courir après tout, mais là, comme le but c'est de créer un conflit en faisant croire que c'est un autre gang, il vaut mieux pas se faire cramer parce que sinon ils vont se douter qu'il y a un problème. On va juste rouler tranquille. Faut pas les perdre non plus.
Rolling through Liberty City on Ram Jam FM. Live and direct from Jukes. That tune can play anywhere in the world. The lighters go up in dance halls, the torches are on, the fog horns go off. Police and helicopter, John Holt. The big beats, the big tunes on Ram Jam FM. A roots classic, a sing-along anthem. Lincoln granulated sugar wine and hard time version. members of the Triangle Club in Bohan. Respect.
Some are forced to stay under it. Oh yes, you got to keep on slaving in a Babylon.
I got a look on you! Take some cover! Yeah! Yeah!
Dispatch 3 units from Foxy Heights.
We've got your back with Ruddy.
Oh putain, ils suivent en hors terrain. Wesh, wesh, c'est ouf. Il a mieux atterri que moi. Oh, ça c'est la merde ça. Chef. Putain, mais peu importe là où je vais, j'arriverai pas à les semer parce qu'il y a des voitures de flics partout. Oh, en plus je mange des balles de travers. Oh, on est de la chatte là. Là on est de la chatte.
Jerry, I hit the Ancelotti's crew real hard. Everyone got taken down. The rest of them should think the Albanian muscle is making a play.
Yeah, I knew my brother wouldn't put his faith in a bum. They'll be at them elbows in no time. That's step one of the plan's complete. Come see me. We'll talk about step two.
J'étais convaincu que dans les parages il y avait une voiture de sport cachée, mais oh non, elle est magnifique. Je suis un peu dégoûté, c'est que les plaques elles sont ouvertes. En fait, il y a deux versions. Il y a les ailettes comme ça, en mode entrée d'air pour le moteur. Après, il y a les versions comme ça que je préfère, qui sont plus basiques. En vrai, elle est pas mal, hein. Oh, qu'est-ce qu'il fout là, le vieux? Putain, je sais plus où c'est. Ça remonte à il y a beaucoup trop de temps.
Nico, man, I'm going crazy. Since I got out, things just don't make no sense.
Have things ever made sense?
They made sense inside. 3 meals a day, time in the yard, lockdown at 8. Things out here is mad crazy.
Tell me about it.
On the down low, I think Playboy wants me dead. Might just let him put a cap in my dome. End it all.
That what you want? Seriously?
Nah, fuck that shit. I ain't ready to go out yet. I need you to get him for me. I can't do it myself. He was my boy back in the day. That's something I won't be able to forget. You seem like you got my back, Nico. Help me out on this one, dog. I'll stick by you till the end. Take him out for me.
That's a pretty heavy request, Dwayne. Playboy was your best friend. And he's always been straight with me, more or less. I'll have to think about it.
Effectivement, il mentait pas, c'était une belle maison. Petit, mais après c'est plus un appart qu'une maison, mais déjà on va save, ça fait un moment qu'on n'a pas save. Déjà ça va nous régénérer notre vie qu'on a perdu depuis trop longtemps. Je dois faire un choix. Soit je bute Dwayne, soit je bute Playboy. Mais entre nous... Putain, ça me fait chier.
I'm going to have to take this. You're hurting me!
Putain, c'est dur de faire un choix là. Si, le problème c'est qu'il y a des missions de partout là. Oh le merdier. On a fait 53 missions, on est qu'à 35% du jeu.
Kate, it is Nico. We met with your brother, Packy. He gave me your number.
Hi, Nico. What's up?
I was wondering if you wanted to come out with me sometime. Maybe we do something together.
Okay, that could be interesting. I don't normally socialize with Packy's gangster friends. But sure, pick me up in the next hour.
See you then.
Bon, je sais plus où est caché l'Infernus. On va pas aller la chercher, mais... Il semblait qu'elle était planquée dans une petite ruelle dans le coin, mais... Il me saoule ce robot de GPS. Pas moyen de l'enlever, hein. Pas du GPS sans. On va voir.
Nico, shit went down with those guys in Bohan. Elizabetha's doing a bid. She might have killed Manny.
Really?
Good thing you haven't been hanging around with them too much. The shit is fucked up. I'm sorry for getting you involved.
Don't worry about it. You've got enough on your plate looking after Roma. See you soon.
C'est chaud, hein. Parce qu'il y a 600 000 camps à choisir, ça part un peu dans tous les sens. Chacun se trie un peu à droite à gauche comme il le veut, entre guillemets. pas souvent des voitures comme ça.
Felix, we need you. Now, the chopper is prepped and waiting off Bremer Road in Northwood. Your sometime accomplice.
Non, vas-y, mais j'en peux plus. Ouah, ça me saoule. Non, vas-y, c'est grave. À chaque fois que je veux faire quelque chose, on se fait baiser. C'est trop de se faire choper par le callback comme ça. Ah, il peut pas te dire l'hélicoptère est prêt, viens le prendre quand tu veux. Vas-y, fais chier là.
America is tuning in each week to the science of crime. We have no idea why, but we've spun it out into 15 identical shows. The Science of Crime Vice City, The Science of Crime Las Venturas, Ohio, Tuskegee, Djibouti, Fairbanks, Panama City, Santiago. The Science of Crime. It's forensically boring. You've got a trust fund. Radio broker, BJ.
Hey, it's Julianne. I feel your pain, so don't dress and drive. Complain about society. Eat your organic ketchup and think you're making a difference. Nobody cares. Trash people.
C'est au moment où je décide de la contacter qu'on se fait niquer comme ça. Je me suis dit vas-y, on va faire l'effort, on va appeler. On va changer un petit peu que de bourriner l'émission. Mais non. Ah d'accord. Je suis pas intéressé. Et ouais. Chier. Mission de merde là.
Here's my man Nico.
Qu'est-ce que tu
Hey,
fous là, lui
Jacob.
Yo, nigga, some serious firepower up in here. Rocket launcher, boom!
Let's find him and get this over with. I don't like being in this man's pocket.
Ain't nothing but bada. There'll be the other chopper. Stick to him, Nico. We need to take him down there with no people.
For a man who has asked me to kill a lot of men, this guy is really safety conscious.
Saying, you got that government thing about it. All for the greater good and thing.
I have the feeling you don't want to be responsible for the helicopter crash in Middle Park.
True that. Yo, this be some crazy shit in a Nico. Yo, we on the star jumps in a helicopter. This some real spy shit I is doing it up.
Shows you that the people who need spy shit done get other people to do their dirty work.
See, Bridget, everything crashed.
Shit, Jacob! You really gotta smoke that thing now! The secondary smoke doesn't exactly help my hand-eye coordination, and I'm paranoid enough with US government on my ass. Whatever. Actually, just smoking.
Il est en train de fumer son meilleur pétard. Ah, j'habille ce moment.
Don't worry about the bridge, Jacob. I'm finally getting the hang of flying
13 à
this
passer
thing.
pour débloquer un succès.
You're righteous rude boy, Nico. It's over the water. No other time.
À droite de l'hélicoptère.
Stand him on, we need to show him. Show him Mr. Rascal. Get him back in that spot. Keep steady for the shot now.
Why'd you miss, Jacob? You smoking too much?
Mama, you know, man, I'll get this bum back there when you're going all over the place.
Oui, merci. Ouais.
Play the fire.
Good shot, Jacob.
You got some crucial flying skills in the Nico. Can you jump on and find the elephant though? You don't feel so good, you know. Trust me, this thing I'm messing with structure. Yo, job well done in a Nico. But we have to get out of this bomber clad dead right now, you know.
I do not think he can ask us to do more than this. Now it's our turn to get him to help us. If someone can find the man I search for, it should be him.
Let's do it. Nico, you don't know you're the man, you know. Sight the man soon, see?
Ah, ça y est, ULP, on a fini. Quel merdier, putain.
We shut down that chopper for you.
You think I don't know that? You think I've been sitting around scratching my balls with my head on my ass?
I'd be impressed if you had been.
I appreciate your assistance. You did a good thing today. So is Mike. I will try to find the man you're after. I will call when I have something.
J'aime pas trop qu'on s'habille comme ça.
Hi there, Kate. It's me, Nico.
Please, call me after 8.
Shit.
Alors celle-là, je l'avais pas vu venir.
Oh, there he is. The sophisticated European.
I don't know about that.
So, how are you?
All right, yeah?
Kate! Don't stand there talking to him on the doorstep. Ask him in.
Oh, come in. Ma, you remember the boy's friend Nico?
How are you?
Good, and you?
Put it like this. My boys are out of control. My daughter can't find a man, and my husband is in hell. I'm thinking God moves in mysterious ways. Oh.
That's Mother for you. Always a joy.
Nico! You made it, huh?
Well, I'll leave you to your men's talk. I hope you impress each other.
Hey, look at me.
Yeah. Yeah. I thought so. You'll do fine.
Fine at what?
Some gimp work for the Pegorinos. I owed them. Oh, please. I do it myself, but I think I'm being watched by the cops. Someone. I think I'm about to get pinched again.
Shit, really?
Yeah, it's happened before. I keep seeing the same car watching. All it means is someone's been speaking, we just have to find out who and make them stop. In the meantime, it'll chill things out for a bit. So, I need your help.
Okay.
Attaboy. Come on, I got something to show you. Now, Pegorino's a funny guy. Seems like his main motivation is putting his Guernsey crew on par with the 5 old families. Ancelotti's being the weakest, he's decided to stir shit up for him. Now, the Ancelottis have an uneasy alliance with some Albanians. They use them as hitmen, thugs, bullies.
I know the type.
Much like Jimmy DeGuido uses us. So, what you're gonna do is disguise yourself as an Albanian and then go whack Frankie Garone, an Ancelotti longtime capo.
Sure. Which Albanian?
This one.
Il y a vraiment un bougre qui est dans le frigo. Par contre, pour être congelé comme ça, il... Putain, j'en peux plus de ça, j'ai juré, je vais essayer. C'est bien trop chiant. Ah putain, mais je me dis encore, c'est bizarre, le jeu, je le trouve vachement fluide. Oui, et là, c'est plus difficile de glisser. Hein. En vrai, si je prends les trottoirs aussi, j'abuse. Et tu vois, là, je peux tourner à fond sans glisser. Et parce qu'on est passé de 120 à 60 images secondes. C'est qu'à cause de ça. Du coup, quand on est en moto, 60, je cherche pas à comprendre. Pour vous, ça change rien, ça reste 60. Il n'y a que pour moi que ça change quelque chose. Oh le chien! Et que si je fais ça que ça glisse. Que je me penche en avant comme ça et que j'accélère à fond. Quel bonheur de pouvoir conduire une moto sans briller.
Sneaky scumbag! Tony Black didn't do nothing to nobody who didn't deserve it! What the fuck? We're going to the mattresses for sure!
C'était du rapide. Voilà, et pour prouver que il n'y a pas de blague, on va remettre 120. Ça va pas marcher, c'est pas grave. On va y arriver. On applique. Donc là pour moi c'est fluide, et voilà.
Frankie Garone, was sleeping with the fishes. Anyone who saw us is going to describe the Albanians you got on ice.
Sure. I'll let Jimmy P know about it. Cut in on anything he throws my way. I don't know how long I'm gonna be outside, though. Let the cops knock down my door anymore.
Good luck with that, Jerry.
Please, look after my family if I go inside.
That's what I tell Derek.
Oh, table for one? We got a beautiful bacala salad. with
I'm
a little
here
pasta
for
fagioli.
someone. I'm here for Ray.
Oh, Ray, why did you say so? Ray's a beautiful man, you know what I mean? He's in the back.
Thanks.
Hey, Nicky! How you doing, kid?
Fine.
Hey! That Mick bastard friend of yours says you're okay.
Good.
That you're reliable.
Yep.
But can I trust you? Why go through all this? Why stick your neck out? Why do all this work?
Because I need the money. And because I can't do anything else. And because I'm good at it.
Sure.
And because I'm trying to find someone.
Okay, maybe we can help. Let's see how we do. So anyways, I got this friend. Only the friend ain't my friend no more because he ain't getting me the vig he owes.
Okay.
Seems this guy does not respect the waste management business. Lives over in a project on Galveston near you. Name is Teddy Benavidez. Do what you gotta do. Somebody gets burnt, so be it.
Fine. And you'll pay.
Hey, you kidding? I'll pay double.
Good.
But you mess up, bad things are gonna happen.
Ok. Ouais, mais écoutez, on va voir. Hein. On va prendre ça, parce que les motos, hein, c'est pas que j'en ai marre, mais ça me prend la tête. C'est qui pourrait être utile. Là, je trouvais ce type Alonso, c'est un gorille des Benavidez. Il te dira ce que tu dois savoir, mais il faut que tu réussisses à le convaincre, bien sûr. Il a un t-shirt 72. Ok. Non. J'ai cru qu'il allait m'envoyer un coup de pare-choc. On est dans la merde. Là on est dans la merde. Waouh. Alors attendez. Alors. Apparemment. Bon, bien arrivé. Ah ouais, mais la voiture elle est morte en fait. Ah ouais, je l'ai fumée. Apparemment, notre joke il est censé y avoir un kit de soins dans le coin. Enfin, en tout cas, sur la carte, il en a dit qu'un là alors. J'aimerais juste savoir. Ah ouais, je le vois. Oh la chatte qu'on a. Ah ouais, parce que là vraiment j'étais dans le malin. Si on faisait la mission comme ça, j'étais vraiment très très mal. Oh comment c'est fait. Je me suis fait stopper par le mur. On va partir avec une sultane. Alors je vais juste déblayer la carte. Du coup je vois plus rien. Voilà, quand même garder un visu sur ce qui se passe. Bah chef. Ouais tu me diras, on avait le mec de... C'est vrai qu'on aurait pu acheter un hot dog. Et il y avait un burger chouette. Pas besoin du SMS. Il est pas bien caché, hein.
You know what apartment Teddy Benavides is in?
No sé, I don't know no Teddies.
You sure about that? You want the last thing to come out of your mouth to be a lie?
Shit, man. He's up on the top floor, apartment 151K. You have to walk the last few floors. Elevator don't go up there. They're fixing it up.
Tiens, bouffe le sol un peu. On est jusqu'au 19ème. Bon, la vie de ma mère qu'on rentre là-dedans avec un fusil, c'est bon.
Yo, T-Dog, someone's coming up. Don't know how, but he knows where your apartment is.
Oh ouais, wesh.
You're mine, motherfucker!
It's you on me!
It's 102.7 The Beat. My name is Steph.
It's the end of the line, asshole!
Breathe, Poppy, breathe! The Hood Report. Hey, yo, tell them, let them know what's going on in the streets out there. Yeah, Stat, the streets is crazy hot right now. You think with all the gun laws in Liberty City, there wouldn't be so many things out
You
here.
glad you missed it, man?
Don't kill me, man!
And on that note, all my people locked down for holding that heat. Hold your head.
you
really wanna go through with this? My man Rose, see you soon. SC, I see you. And don't forget, y'all, this Hood Report has been brought to y'all by the Uptown. Feels good to be
Oh, this is too easy, man! Oh, fuck! You fucking shot me, man!
Great, friend! Ow, my fucking leg! Mi pana, hang
Oula.
on, okay? One more! Por favor, don't kill me, be scared!
That European guy! There's the tough guy! Way to the crowd, motherfucker!
So long!
Ils sont partout les gens. Sydney. Aïe. Oh, je sais pas d'où elle est partie, mais je l'ai mangée.
Give me some cover!
Hey, come on, man!
Il en reste clairement d'autres là.
I'll cut off your fucking head!
Là, j'ai essayé de l'ouvrir, ça marchait pas.
Too slow, mama!
Oh, j'ai réussi à l'avoir d'ici. Let's go. Carré. Donc là, on va partir récupérer un gilet pare-balles. Foreman, tu pilotes. Comme un dieu, faudrait qu'on décolle pour Jamrock, un de ces jours, One Love. Et c'est un bon, c'est pareil. En vrai, on l'a pas vu beaucoup dans le jeu. Mais franchement, on n'a jamais eu d'emmerde avec lui, c'est toujours été très simple.
Hey man, this is a clean business, no trouble.
Après, en vrai, on a les sous. Hein. On va devoir, on a les sous. Par contre, ouais, j'avoue, il n'y a pas beaucoup de balles. Hein. C'est très limité. On va pas faire les crevards, hein. Encore 366 000. Oh, attends, si, je sais ce qui manque. Est-ce que tu penses que le fait qu'on l'ait eu en mission... Ah, dommage. Et ça? Non plus. J'aurais tenté, je me suis dit peut-être qu'on pourrait les avoir, mais non. Bon, écoute.
Hey, Nico.
Ray,
Take a seat.
thank you.
So, you took care of that thing.
Yes.
I appreciate that.
Hey,
Now,
look.
I look after my friends. I got a lot of friends. Important friends. Jimmy Pegarino is a personal friend of mine. More or less. Hey, sweetheart.
Hey,
My God, you look like shit. What's wrong?
nothing. I haven't been to bed yet. I've been smoking crystal.
You been what? What are you, a fucking idiot? You white trash motherfucker, what is wrong with you?
Give me a break, okay? I feel like death.
Hey, hey, hey!
What?
It's because I care. You know that.
Yeah, I know that.
Now, speaking of the ice,
Yeah, they got it. They left it where you said. That's why I came over here. Can I get a goddamn copy
yeah,
here?
you look like you could really use some goddamn caffeine.
I'm fucking coming down, asshole. I feel like death.
Fine, whatever. Nico, need you to go collect some garbage for me.
Garbage?
Yeah, you wanted a career in waste disposal, now you got one.
Can I get a goddamn copy over here?
What kind of garbage?
Garbage with a lot of ice in it.
Today?
Go over to F between Columbus and Denver. There'll be a truck waiting there. 3 guys. Good guys. Friends of mine. Main guy's name is Luca. Go.
Okay.
Hey.
Qui fout des putains de... Ah, je sais pas, alors c'est peut-être moi qui ai mal compris, je sais pas si c'est vraiment des diamants, mais... Ah oui d'accord, mais c'est vraiment juste derrière en fait. C'est qu'on a gardé la veste de motard.
Luca? Yeah, you Nico? This is Tuna Fish and Johnny Spaz. Tuna, Johnny, Nico.
Hey.
So, we're all friends now.
All right, Tuna, John Boy, you get the threads. Get in the back and get the trash. Come on, let's go. Nico, here's your gear. You're driving. That cool? Let's roll.
Ok. Faut le conducteur. Je pense très sincèrement qu'il va y avoir une couille sur le trajet, mais
First pickup's in Chinatown. Let's hit it.
ça me paraît un peu trop simple juste de conduire et d'aller livrer des poubelles. Ouais, ça c'est bien des diamants. J'ai eu un peu peur. En vrai, elle a parlé de cailloux, machin, etc.
You could say that. Ray got that tweaker chick of his, the biker broad. You met her?
Yeah, she's pretty strung out.
Ray got her to get her friends to steal the ice off of some club owner guy. Her friends are the Lost Biker Gang.
I think I worked with a member of that gang up on Bohan. He was called Johnny or something.
Jonah, this is it. Grab the bag.
Can you open up the back, Nicky? Got it, let's go.
Next one's on 8th Street. Move out, Nicky.
Ah, monte. Mais qu'est-ce qu'il fait? Ça n'empêche comment tu dois être secoué derrière.
Did these bikers get so fucked on meth that they threw the ice away?
Nah, it seems this club owner's got more connections than a subway line. He's in with the Ancelottis, the Dominicans up in Northwood, everybody. Ray came up with this plan to keep a bit of distance between us and the robbery. The bikers is taking the heat for this shit.
This ain't the easiest way to pick this shit up, even if we don't want to attract any attention.
Yeah, me and Tuna was saying that before you got here. He was saying that there's a lot of opportunities for this to go wrong. The bank could split, the diamonds could go missing real
Il a pris une
That's why
gifle.
we're going to be extra careful, right? We wouldn't want that to happen, would we?
Of course not. You know how pissed Ray would get if he found out
Ah
some
oui, ça a
diamonds
fait,
were
je suis
missing?
mort.
He has a temper.
Are you fucking kidding me? The manager of one of his waste depots was holding out on profits a couple years back. Ray fed him to a dump
Putain, je suis à fond comme ça avance pas.
with the sounds of his... This is the other one, Tuna.
Yo, Nicky, open up the back.
We gotta take a quick commercial break, pay the bills, and keep the lights
Ah là là.
Shit, man, looks like we got company.
C'était sûr.
Crap! Someone's got wise to us. Let's get the hell out of here. Drive to Fish Market South.
Comment ça avance
He's not
pas?
really going to outrun anybody. Easy.
You're just gonna have to do your best, ain't you? We're not losing this ice. I'm not having Ray cut my balls off because you don't think this truck's fast enough.
I didn't say it was impossible. It's just going to be difficult.
Shit, Nicky, lose these fucks.
You're killing me.
Évidemment, ils sont intuables, sinon c'est pas drôle.
You're making this easy on us.
Ah, ça va être la
Get
merde.
us out of here, Nicky. We don't want none of those bags to break, Nicky. This ain't fun. Holy shit! Shit, Nicky, lose these fucks. Get us out of here, Nicky.
C'est la merde.
Hang in there! Protect the ice! Nice driving, Nicky. Looks like you lost him. Let's bring this ice home.
Des fois j'ai l'impression que j'ai l'impression d'avancer, mais j'ai l'impression que ça passe pas les rapports volontairement pour que ça aille le plus lentement possible. C'est trop bizarre. C'est plus du son qu'il y a à l'arrière là, c'est juste vidé dessus. C'est pas discret.
Anyone who heard of him would want them. I ain't surprised we got a bit of attention.
You want me to take the ice to Ray then?
Nah, me and Tona will look after them. Sort them out from the trash. I sure hope we ain't lost any on the route. Things got shaken up pretty good back there.
They sure did, Luca. Here's hoping we can find them all.
See you around, Nicky.
Ah, 9000 balles, ça va. Bon, il faut qu'on trouve une voiture.
Are you inbred or just stupid? Luke and his crew have got the stuff, Ray. It's all in the back of the truck.
Will you keep an eye on them? They didn't pull nothing?
I don't know, Ray. You don't trust them? Then weigh the ice. We'll catch you around. I need the car, don't worry. Insurance will pay.
Ça a pas klaxonné, c'est marrant ça. Tac.
Yeah, sure, Phil, sure. Hey, Phil, listen, you know me, and I know you. I didn't mean nothing by it. Hey, take it easy. Oh, Phil, take it easy. And listen, tell Jimmy I said hello. Okay. I'm sorry. Goodbye. We got a problem.
Who? You and me?
Yeah. I got two options. Option one, you rip me off. Option two, Luca and his buddies ripped this boat off.
Hey! I left them with the stuff to bring to you as instructed.
Maybe you're in on it.
Maybe I am. But if you thought that, I wouldn't be standing here right now.
You ain't as dumb as you look. Luca hangs out in Castle Gardens. Go see him.
C'était sûr, je sais pas pourquoi.
Everyone can get paid. Now.
Right.
En fait, de la manière où il a dit genre non t'inquiète c'est bon on s'en charge, tu sentais la douille. Je sais pas pourquoi, hein, vraiment j'avais vraiment le feeling qu'on allait se faire entuber. Après dans ma tête je me suis dit en vrai si c'est des collègues à lui, en vrai je peux comprendre que nous on n'y touche pas tu vois. De toute façon on vient de débouler, tu vois, on a juste fait une mission pour lui et c'était la deuxième. Mais je sais pas. J'avais le feeling qu'on allait se faire niquer et... Bah ça a pas loupé. Ça a pas loupé.
Luca, I need that ice back.
I don't know what you're talking about, Nicky. I gave every one of those diamonds to Ray.
Now, we all know that that's not true.
Fuck you, you cabbage-eating prick. Who says it weren't you that made off with him? That's what I'm telling Ray.
The game's up, boys. We're out of here.
Ça va faire boum. Ah bah oui du coup. Bah attends mais je suis censé faire comment du coup? Je me suis dit c'est bizarre, le trou de balle il voit que sa voiture elle est en feu mais il s'en bat les couilles. Bon. On recommence. Première mission échouée depuis le début de la série, hein, j'ai envie de dire de toute façon il y a un début à tout. Lucas doit rester en vie pour que tu puisses récupérer. Ah oui d'accord. J'ose pas tous les fumer parce que je sais pas si c'est lui qui conduit. Bon, le passager en tout cas est mort s'il tire plus donc wesh wesh. J'arrive pas à crever les pneus. Oh le trou de balle. Ouaille. Je croyais qu'il était mort celui qui était devant. Oh les salopios.
Look around. You're surrounded. Put some pressure on the bastard. Don't be too greedy. Why would a guy like you shoot me again? Someone call the pigs.
Il y a un couteau caché ici.
There's no time for this. I'm going to find you, Luca.
You and me, we could go to Venturas. No one's ever gonna find us. Ray ain't gonna give you shit for helping him out, Nicky. You can have tuna in Johnny's cut. Come on!
Any more of you? Any more? I took out Luca's crew, and I got your diamonds.
What do you mean you took them out? I just wanted you to get the ice back. I didn't say nothing to you about killing those boys.
Whatever. They're dead, and I've got the stuff. You want to get your hands on it? Come meet me at the bridge in Middle Park.
Ça marche encore là en voiture? À mon avis, elle doit être à rien d'exploser, je pense.
My mistake.
Tu sais que putain des balles de pistolet, non, non. Plus de 1400 balles. Il y a de quoi faire.
Don't fucking touch me!
Thanks, Nicky. I guess you never know who's gonna stab you in the back, huh?
Thanks for the advice.
Bon, moi, lui, il a récupéré ses diamants. Non, on part avec 9500. Je sais pas pour combien il y en avait, mais... Je pense qu'on a pris une pilule. Un message de Little Jacob. Si t'as besoin de blé, n'hésite pas. T'as qu'à m'appeler, Padman et moi, on a souvent du boulot. C'est vrai qu'on peut faire des missions de livraison, mais le problème c'est que ces missions de livraison, elles rapportent pas... Enfin, ça rapporte déjà mieux que les missions de taxi de Roman. Là-dessus, c'est vrai qu'on va pas cracher dessus. Putain, j'ai oublié qu'il y avait des flics là. Oh. Ah, sérieux là? Là il nous reste quoi? On peut retourner travailler pour lui. On va être se casser en douce. J'avais pas envie de leur rentrer dedans.
Yo, Munch, don't be trifling with me. You made a decision. You're gonna fix this Dwayne problem of ours, yeah?
Hey, it ain't our problem, Playboy. It's yours. That said, I know what I'm going to do.
That right. You go, Nico. Peace and love.
Je crois que ça va être le moment de faire un choix. Et ouais. Bon, je pense que le meilleur choix à faire, c'est ça. Hein. En vrai, je vois pas l'utilité de fumer Dwayne, sachant que... Vas-y, il sort de prison. Il est arrivé, tout le monde l'a baisé. Il est dans son coin tout seul, il demande rien à personne.